Hello, my name is Nathan, and today I'm going to be giving you a video demonstration of our Capstone project, the Transportation Data Analytics website. First, I'll start by demoing the live map. The live map is a visual representation of both live traffic data and data the team has been collecting over the past year from York Region. The data is in the form of snapshots. Each snapshot contains data on each road monitored, with a new snapshot being published from the York Region API every 5 minutes. The red shading represents the boundaries of York Region. The colored lines represent each road, with color representing the current speed compared to the average. The lime green circles represent intersections, and the view time clock represents the time the snapshot being displayed was captured. The map is able to display the most recent snapshot available by actively updating when a new snapshot is captured, or can display data that has been stored in our database previously. You can control the map by changing the live update toggle and by using the filter to select a time that you wish to view. The map is also interactive. You're able to adjust zoom, click on segments to see their corresponding speed, average speed, travel time, direction, and other characteristics. You are also able to display the time series data for each segment by clicking on a segment and scrolling down. The day of week and hour of day graphs display the rolling average for the segment in both directions. Day of week represents the average speed for each day of the week, and hours of day graph represents the average speed for each hour during the day. This concludes the video of the live map. The About Us page contains references for the project, information on the project, and us, the developers. This concludes the demonstration.